Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. We are out by 10 miles Bull Bay and we are going over this bridge that was recently built as a part of the highway. So we're driving from 10 miles Bull Bay to 12 miles Bull Bay. And this section of the road looks like it was recently paved. Actually, from this point towards Yalos, the road is almost finished. The actual road now, you have sidewalks and those kind of things to put in. But once the white line's going, then you know, then it is finished. So this road we're actually driving on is a new road that was built going through the hill. All 4 lanes here. This was not the original route of the existing road. This was a new road that was built to go through the hills. But once we go over to the top of this hill and going down, you're going to see what the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project looks like. You're going to get a very nice view of what the highway, when finished, will look like. And this highway is probably about 85% complete now. The section between Harborview and Yalos. Between 80 and 85% complete, meaning sidewalk, white line, the whole 9 yards. See, this section has been paved. I'm not sure why they don't open up the other side. Maybe they're waiting to put in the white lines. And there you can see where the JPS light poles are going to go. You can see the tubes sticking out of the Jersey barrier. And if you notice here, they have paved the bottom. There's no longer space in the road. And there you can see it's paved and just the tube sticking out. That's where they'll install the light poles. This section is going to get quite a few light poles. So here you can see now this side of the road has been painted with the white line. That means this is finished. Okay, I'm going to pull over here and show you guys, zoom in and show you what's going on with the light poles. So there you can see the PVC pipe sticking out and the area between the two Jersey barriers where the PVC pipe is, it's paved, meaning there's concrete there. So this section is good to go. All I need is the light poles now, the lights to be installed, and it should be done next week. Thought it would have started already, but I guess it's next week. But the good thing is the white line is here, so this section is finished. Very nicely done. This is the kind of progress you like to see in Jamaica. And one day we'll have roads like this going right around the island, going through every parish, with the exception of the street lights. There's no guarantee. The toll roads in Jamaica don't have street lights. Now here you can see, can I pull over here? I can't pull over here because traffic is going on both sides, but when I can pull over I'll show you. See, if you look at between the Jersey bar, there's just a space, an empty space. There's no pipe, nothing sticking out of these. And they're putting in street lights from Harborview all the way to Yalos. Really nice. You can see no expense was spared for the building of this road. Okay, that sign on the right is for the Suncoast Beach Club, which is, I think, 300 luxury apartments. Oh, they have a model unit up. Let's see if we can get it. There you go. That's the model unit. And that development is as a direct result of the highway projects. That's why they chose this area. And this is where you turn left to go on the old road, or if you want to access the Suncoast Beach Club, you turn there and go back on the old road. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway. Now we just passed 12 miles Bull Bay and are heading towards Mesga Gardens. And both sides of the road here have the white lines, which mean they are finished. Not sure why they don't open up the other side of the road to the traffic yet, but definitely between now and December it will be open. And guys, can you remember the highway, the road, not even highway, I wouldn't even call it a road. Well, let's just call it a road. That was here before. Look at this. Night and day. This is what you call progress for Jamaica. Can you imagine? I remember when I used to drive to St. and you go around that winding road full of potholes. No wonder why St. Thomas was a forgotten parish. Because nobody wanted to go there. The road was terrible. And the main road we're talking about, you know. But look at this. This could be the nicest road in Jamaica. Going to St. Thomas all the way to, well, 4 lanes to Yalos in St. Thomas and then 2 lanes to Port Antonio. It's a pity they never just built 4 lanes to Port Antonio, because we know what's going to come once this road is opened. We've seen the urban center being built in Port Antonio, sold out. The urban center being built in Morant Bay, sold out. I wouldn't be surprised if Bull Bay would get an urban center very soon. A lot of investment going on over here and a lot more to come. But this is what Jamaica needs. This is progress. And guys, we're not a political channel, but you have to say job well done to the government for building this road. I don't know which government, but job well done. This is what you call vision. Because there are so many other places that they could have built this road. So many other places. But and I have to admit, after flying the drone over Bull Bay, I had no idea that that place looked so nice. No idea whatsoever. It's going to be the newest tourist spot in Jamaica. I was surprised. You guys can watch the videos. I never knew Bull Bay looked like that. Before Bull Bay, even Grand Span has so much potential for tourism. I always knew Portland had some of the nicest beaches in Jamaica, but I had no idea this side of the island was so beautiful. St. Thomas, that is. Alright, now